Rahim. Asalaam Alaikum to all of you. This is Shah Nawaz Rustamani, and welcome to all of you at my channel, Knowledge for All Seekers. I hope that you all are fine wherever you are. And as we all know that today is our 7th day of our skill development course. In last lecture, we have learned one of the Google application, which was Google Docs. Okay. So we are still in our Google application series. So today we will learn two of the applications of Google, two applications of Google, and they are also very important applications and are very useful applications and also very freely available in Google. Okay. So which are the applications we are going to learn today? These are number one, Google Slides, and number two is Google Sheets. What are Google Slides and what are Google Sheets? These both are applications which are freely available in Google applications. Okay, so these are the applications normally just as we work on Microsoft Office in offline. Okay, as we work in Microsoft Office PowerPoint application, this is also Google Slide in Google applications. Okay, these are the online applications available freely in Google, and for Google Sheets, just like we work in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. So this is a freely available online in Google Sheets. Okay, same application, same features are available in Google Sheets, just like in MS Excel. Okay, so what are these things? Let's start our today's lecture. So what are Google applications? What are Google Slides and Sheets? Actually, Google Slide is an online presentation application that lets you create and format presentations and work with other people. Okay, same thing which we learned in last lecture for Google Docs. So Google Slide is also an online application, online presentation application, in which what we can do, we can create and format presentations and work with other people. Okay, we can create slides in our Google Slides, which are very freely. Even we don't need to install, or we don't need to download and install Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. We can create our slides, we can make our presentation in this application, Google Slides. Okay, Google Slide is an online application for making presentations, just like we make in Microsoft PowerPoint. But that's for that we have to download Microsoft Office. But in Google Slides, we do not uh, we do not have to download any application, but it is very freely available in Google applications. Okay, from Google Slide we can make our presentations online, and we can also share it with our friends, or we can share with any other people. Just we have to know their email address, and we have to write email address to send them. Okay, so this is Google Slide. Okay, I hope that you have understand very well. Now, what is Google Sheet? Google Sheet is on also an online spreadsheet application that lets you create and format spreadsheets and work with other people. Okay, same like Google Slide. In Google Slides we can make online presentations, and in Google Sheets we can create our online spreadsheets. Okay, this is an spreadsheet application, online spreadsheet application, in which we can create and format spreadsheets. Okay, and also we can share with other peoples and work together. Okay, Google, in simple words, Google Sheets we can make our spreadsheets online, and also we can share it to with our friends or any other people. Okay, so I hope that you understand very well. This is very simple, that what is Google Slide and what is Google Sheet. So we will learn some of their advantages. Okay, what are their advantages? Advantages of Google Sheets. Okay, it is in collaboration. The most immediate benefit from using Sheet is the ability to collaborate in completely new ways. Okay, it is in completely new ways. Working at a scale, we can create charts and linking to Google Slides also. Okay, we can link our Google Sheet into Google Slides also. Okay, it is a version control and linking between sheets in different files, working with plugins. It work with plugins. Okay, plugins. What is plugins? We will learn in another video for it. Okay, connecting to external data sources, and what are the advantages of Google Slides? It is very free to use. You can use very freely, as I already mentioned you, that it is freely available for us to make our presentations. Okay, real-time collaboration. It is a web-based application which for which we cannot have to we don't have to download any application or anything else. It is a web-based application. Slides are automatically saved. We don't have to save any slide or anything in Google Slides. Also, it will be automatically saved everything. Okay, presentations always accessible. It is easy to share. It cross platforms availability is also there, and embedding files. So these are the advantages of Google Slides. Okay, so let's create Google Slides and Google Sheets. Okay, now we are going to create Google Slides and Google Sheets practically. That how can we create our Google Slide and Google Sheet? How can we create? How can we work on slides and sheets online? Okay. So for this we have to go in our internet browser. So let's do it. Okay. First of all, go in our browser and write here slides dot google dot com. Okay, slides dot google dot com. Again, I am repeating that for Google applications you must have to log in your Gmail account first. Okay, as I am already logged in my Gmail account, so for using any of the Google applications you must have to log in first in your Gmail account. Okay, you must have your Gmail address, and you have to log in your Gmail account. Okay, so I am already logged in my Gmail account. So let's go to create our slide. Okay, you have to write here slides.google.com and enter it. So it will take us into the slides. Okay, where we can make our slides easily. So this is a platform where we can make our slides. So if you want to create your blank presentation, click on blank. If you want to edit in this format, your big idea made to stick, if you want to work in this, you can click on this. If you want to make your photo albums, then click on photo album. Or if you want to make any wedding presentation or wedding form or wedding what can we say that wedding cards, you can go in this. Okay, or if you want to make any portfolio, then you have to click on this. Okay, you can search your template gallery also. If you want to make your template any of this, you can click on these. Okay, so these all are very freely available. So first for but right now we are going to make our blank presentation. Okay, first of all we are going to make our blank presentation for learning. Okay, so we are in basics, so that's why we are clicking on, sorry, I have clicked wrong. So we are going to click on blank presentation. Okay, click on blank. So here it is, your blank presentation slide is available here, and you can work here also. Okay, so for example we are making our slide that uh, our our skill development course. Okay, this is our title, and we are writing in subtitle anything you want to write. For example, we are writing what, uh, this is our, for example, this is our seventh day of our skill development course. Okay, for example, I have written as an example. I just want to teach you that how we can make our slide. Okay, so that's how we can make our slide. Okay, you can uh, use these menus also. Okay, if you want to share, if you want to make new presentation, just go there. And if you want to email this to anyone, just email. Or if you want to edit anything, multiple options are available. If you want to view like these things, you can view. You can insert any type of image from there. Okay, if you have any type of image, just click on image and upload in your slide. Okay, you can change your text, you can make alignments also. So these are the slides options. Okay, so many things are available for you to make this. Okay, if you want to change your theme, you can click on dark theme also. Okay, your theme will be in dark format, that's like just like this also. Okay, so this is how we can make our slides. Okay, if you want to create new slide, then right click on this and click on new slide if you want new slide. Okay, and click here to create your title of the uh, presentation. So as I already mentioned you that these all things will be automatically saved in your Google Drive. Every work which we do in our Google applications will be automatically saved in your Google Drive. Okay, you can see in your Google Drive. So that's how um, uh, we can create our sheet, we can create our slide. Okay, if you want to make presentation of your project, or your if you want to make your assignment presentation, you can make here. Okay, you can select any type of theme also, you can select any type of background also from these things. Okay, if you want to change your theme, then click on again this theme. If you want in white, and you can select different type of themes and use different types of options which are available here. If you want to import different themes, then you can go and import also. Okay, so right now I just wanted to inform you that how to create our presentation. Okay, so that's how we can use our Google Slides very freely in Google applications. Okay, so for example, you want to change your color, you can change it by selecting these things. Okay, so many multiple options are available by which you can use in your Google Slides. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very well that how can we create our Google slide. Okay, how can we work on Google slide? So see that this is very free. We didn't have anything to download. Okay, it is very freely available for all of us. You just have to create your Google account, and then you can use any of your Google applications. Okay, so now we are going to create our sheet. Okay, so for sheets you have to write here sheets.google.com. Okay, sheets.google.com for creating Google sheet. It is also very easy. Just you have to write sheets.google.com, and it will take us into the sheet form. Here our spreadsheets are opening, but because our net connection is slow, that's why it's taking time. So here it is, it's open. If you want same like Google Slide, Google Doc, if you want to make your blank sheet, then click on blank. Or if you want to work on any written form, so you can click on this. If you want to make your annual budget, for example, this is a template for that. If you want to make your monthly budget, so then click on this. If you want any other options use, then you can click on this tick. Okay, so these are the previous spreadsheets which we have already made. So if you want to use these things also, you can click on directly from here if you have already made, but I have made already, so that's why it's showing here that you have created 4 spreadsheets. Okay, you have created 4 spreadsheets in previous 7 days. So if you want to use this, you can use, just you have to click on this. But if you want to make our new slide, new sheet, then click on new and or blank. Okay, so if you will click on blank, your new spreadsheet will be open here. Okay, and then you can work on this easily. Okay, if you want to make your database of library, you can make your database in Excel. Okay, also. Okay, for example, if you want to make your database of library, then you can make, for example, just like I'm just for example writing here name, father name, university, or you can write anything else. Okay, if you want, so you can write your name also here, Mohsin. Any father name, You can write any university name, you can write any address of that person. Okay, so you can use your multiple options. Okay, you can use your multiple options here. See here, our file is automatically saving. Okay, if you will write anything, it will save automatically. See here, save to new. Okay, saving other. If you will write, it will automatically save your data. You don't have to save anything. You just have to go in your Google Drive for checking. Okay, if you want to give name, you can give name, database. So this will be your file name. Okay, this will be your name of your spreadsheet. So you can work anything, and also you can share it with your friends, with your any office mate, or with your any of the people. Just you have to click on share, and then you have to write email address of that person. Okay, so I have already told you that, so we are not going to write it again. If you want to share, then just click on and just write here email address of that person to whom you want to share. Okay, so and then click on done. So that file will be shared to that person uh, uh, which you have mentioned here as email. Okay, so I hope that you have understand that how we can create our spreadsheet. Okay, so let's see our slide and our spreadsheet is saved or not. So go in drive.google.com, because everything will be saved automatically in Google Drive. Okay, so this will automatically save in Google Drive. Our slide, check the name of our slide. Our skill development course is the name of our slide, and our database name is database. Spreadsheet's name is database. Okay, so let's see and check it either it is saved or not. Okay, see here, our skill development course, which was our Google slide, is already saved here. Okay, our slide is saved here, and see for your database either it's saved or not. Here it is, your database is also saved. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very well. So that's how we can create our slides and our sheets, our spreadsheets in Google applications. Okay, we can use Google applications very freely, which is available in Google applications. So just you have what you have to need. You have to need your Gmail account for using these applications. Okay, so you can create your whole database of books in books of your library in this Excel also. Okay, and you can work any type of work you want. Okay, so I hope that you have understand very well. If you don't have understand anything, so just ask me in comments. Okay, and also tell me in comments that how you have liked this video or not. Okay, so if you have liked this video, also tell me in comments, and if you don't like this video, so also tell me in comments. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and from tomorrow we will learn and any new thing of the course which I have already mentioned in the outline. And if you want to see outline of this course, you can see it video of day 1. Okay, day 1 of skill development course. You can see a whole outline of this course. Okay, so till next video, take care, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and also share it with your friends. Okay, so till next video, it's goodbye from me. Take care of yourself. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Bye.